Good morning, my dear students. I once again welcome you all your social studies class. I hope you all are well. In the previous class, we have started our first chapter, globes and maps, and completed the first topic, the earth and the globe. Yes, I hope everyone completed your homework. In today's class, I want to explain maps and its types. Let us start. A map is a representation of the Earth's surface or a part of it on a flat surface. The word maps comes from the Latin word mappo, which means a napkin. Gerardus Mercator, a 16th century cosmographer and cartographer from the country of Flanders, was the first to publish a collection of maps in the form of a book. A book of maps is called an atlas. That means maps are drawing or representation of a part or whole of the earth on a flat surface. The word maps comes from where? The word maps comes from the Latin word mappo, which means a napkin. Yes. Cosmographer means cosmography. Cosmography means what? It's a branch of science which deals with the general features of the universe, including the earth. Cartography means what? The art of map making is known as cartography. Gerardus Mercator, a 16th century cosmographer and cartographer from the country of Flanders, was first to publish a collection of maps in the form of a book. Book of maps is called an atlas. Book of maps is called an atlas. Yes, understood. A map is a representation of the Earth's surface or a part of it on a flat surface. Yes, a book of maps is called an atlas. A map can be drawn showing the whole earth or a continent or a country or a city and even of your school building or a house. Thus, map is better than a globe. Maps present information and characteristics about the world like mountains, plains and other relief features also. Yes. An accurate map should have at least the following qualities. What are the following qualities? Three qualities. What are the qualities? True direction between places. Maps give true direction between places. Then true shape of the land and water bodies. Maps gives true shape of the land and water bodies. Then true and accurate area. These are the qualities. What are the true direction between places, true shape of land and water bodies, true and accurate area. These are the qualities. However, maps too have limitations. What are the limitations? What are the disadvantages? We already learned the globe disadvantages also in the last class. Then maps also some limitations. What is the shape of the earth? The earth is spherical in shape and its surface is curved. A curved surface cannot be shown correctly on a flat surface such as paper. It is not possible to make an accurate map from a curved surface. However, a map of a small area can be fairly accurate. Thus, a map is more useful to study the earth. And a map of a small area can be fairly accurate. Therefore, map is more useful to study the earth. These are the limitations also. Claudius Ptolemy was a Greek mathematician and geographer who lived in Egypt more than 2000 years ago. He created several maps of the world. A map has its own language that you must know in order to read it. Colors, symbols, and signs are used on a map to depict different things. This is the language of a map. Colors, symbols, and signs are used on a map to depict different things. This is the language of human. There are different kinds of maps. There are different kinds of maps. The main types are the political maps, physical maps, and thematic maps. A political map shows boundaries, countries, states, as well as the location of various national and state capitals and other major cities. Political map shows, what are the shows? Boundaries, countries, states, as well as the location of various national and state capitals and other major cities also. You can see the picture also here given. You can see. Yes. Next, physical map. Physical maps show the physical features such as mountains, plateaus, plains, rivers and valleys of an area. It also shows the distribution of rainfall, forest, crops, minerals, industries, etc. Physical map shows what? Physical maps show the physical features. What are the physical features? Such as mountains, plateaus, plains, rivers and valleys of an area. It also shows the distribution of rainfall, forests, crops, minerals, industries, etc. Next, thematic maps show a certain theme such as soil, water, rainfall, pattern, crop distribution and rows. What are thematic maps show a certain theme such as soil, water, rainfall pattern, crop distribution and rows. Yes, children, only this much today. You have to read the taught portion. Yes, thank you.